welcome to the 9th tutorial in the Painting Basics series. In this lesson, we'll be studying the head coverings worn by women as well as some monastic saints who are always depicted with their heads covered, like St. Anthony the Great and St. Simeon the New Theologian. Some, like St. Ephrem the Syrian, have a pointed head covering. In particular, we're going to paint the coculion worn by St. Anthony the Great. These head coverings are usually quite daunting for beginners because you have to paint beautiful curved lines. So we're going to start off with a warm-up exercise to loosen up. And we're going to start painting the sketch, keeping our shoulders loose and relaxed. It's important to get these lines as smoothly curved as possible. Any wobbly lines are going to be emphasized by the perfectly round halo. So now our sketch is ready. Now for the second rapsimo, we're going to add a little more black to the first. And we paint the fortissimo only in the brightest areas. And there we have our burgundy head covering with cool fortissimo. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Until next time, keep practicing.